Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the stop loss orders on Robinhood. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So the steps to place a stop loss order are as following. So firstly, select the stock you own for a sell stop order or want to buy for a buy stop order. Tap on the trade button, then select sell or buy. If you don't own the stock, select buy and then change the order type. By default, it may be a market order. Tap on the order type, often indicated by market order or shares, to change it. Then from the list of order types, select stop order, also known as a stop market order. Then this is the price that, if reached, will simply go ahead and trigger your order to become a market order. For a sell stop order, the most common type of stop loss, the stop price must be below the current market price. For a buy stop order, the stop price must be above the current market price. And then you also need to specify the shares, which means you need to enter the number of shares you wish to sell or buy. Also, you can set order duration, which is optional. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.